WSR 800LA Operation Guide. First, insert the key and twist to unlock the installation car. The second step is to turn on the main power switch. The third step is to turn on the emergency stop switch. After starting, the instrument panel lights up to indicate starting. The fourth step is to turn on the vacuum switch. After starting, there will be a beep sound. The fifth step is to turn on the vacuum manual switch of the blue and red roads. After starting, the vacuum pressure gauge points to the green area, which means that the vacuum pressure is enough to carry the glass, and the red area needs to be checked for troubleshooting. Step 6. Turn on the radar switch, and an alarm will sound within 1 meter of the obstacle. The seventh step is to open the tripods on both sides. The eighth step is to install the reinforced tripod on both sides. The ninth step is to turn on the wireless remote control. WSR 800LA is equipped with a charging plug, and the main power supply needs to be turned on when charging. Wired remote control interface. In case the wireless remote control is out of power, note that the wired remote control and the wireless remote control cannot be used at the same time. Red and blue separate air valve switch. Vacuum suction cup manual rotation adjustment device. Manual storage box. Vacuum alarm light. Red for air leakage. Green for normal. Walking alarm light. Air filter. WSR 800LA function demonstration. The maximum weight is 800 kilograms. The maximum operating height is 4.6 meters. Electro-hydraulic control boom lifting. Electro-hydraulic control boom telescopic 1150 millimeters. Electro-hydraulic suction cup holder rotates 360 degrees. The electro-hydraulic suction cup rack swings 90 degrees left and right. Electro-hydraulic traverse left and right 50 millimeters fine adjustment. Electro-hydraulic vertical movement up and down each 75 millimeters fine adjustment. Electro-hydraulic suction cup holder flips 135 degrees. Rear wheel turns to control direction. Control forward and backward.